Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. I just wanted to do a quick FYI. I did put out on my community post a voting poll for the 1,000 giveaway. I am going to close out that poll when I hit 1,000 so that I'll know exactly what it is that you guys want me to do a giveaway on once I hit 1,000 subscribers. Okay, anyway, so let's get into today's video. As you guys can see, yes, we have another unboxing. I did take back the bag that I purchased from Bloomingdale, which was an unboxing fail, which I posted on Monday. I took that bag back, and then I went into my Coach boutique and picked up these two beauty from my sales associate Marie. So I just wanted to get this video out to you guys, and let's get to this unboxing. Oh, and also please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the family. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. Please continue to share this video so that your friends and family can join, so that we can do the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Anyway, to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuing support. I love and appreciate you guys so much. Let's get into this video and this unboxing. All right, guys. So as I stated, I did pick up two new beauty from Coach. Can you guys guess what they are? I think you might have an idea once I start opening it. I'm so super excited about this two bags. So let's just get into the unboxing right away. I'll put this one to the side and let's open this one first. I'm not sure which bag is in which box, so forgive me. So for the first item, I love when she does this. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Can you guys see what it is? Can you guys see what it is? Yes, guys. So as you can see, I had her do sorry, let me take the box. I had her condition the bag for me before I took it out, because I wanted to make sure everything was good on the bag, especially this bag. The color can be so wonky sometimes, with it being this white creamy color slash, what do they call this color? I think they call this color, is it I gotta see what they call this color, but I think they call it either the ivory or the chalk or something like that. I might have please let this not be a fail, because I'm seeing the leather is kind of looking really dry. I'm not sure if I gotta condition it, because she did condition it for me, but as you can see right here, kind of have like a little, I'm not sure if this is like an indent or anything, but can you guys see it right here? Okay, it did not look like that. So let's go over the bag. Let's just make sure if everything looks good. The leather is kind of a little bit crinkly over here and over here as well. Can you guys see it? All right, so let's see. And on the flap, it kind of looked like it's just like really dried. I'm not sure if it's the condition that they did, but it looks like, yeah, I might have to take this one back. Yeah, it looks really dry. And that's the thing about this color. You can see everything. So, I'm so sad that this is going to be a fail. Hopefully the second one is not. But, yeah, this might need to go back, because it does have, like, on the leather itself, it's, like, really dry, even between the, see right here, guys? Yeah, it's really dry. So let me see if it's because of the condition, and let me get my other bag, because I do have this bag in a different color. So let me get that. And let's kind of compare it a little bit. So this one is in this coral color, which is, this bag is so simply beautiful. But let's just see something real quick. Let's turn the back. Yeah, let me see if you guys can see what I'm looking at. So as you guys can see, I'm not sure if it's when they did the condition, but in between the what's the name, it's really like crinkly right here. See right there? And then when you look at this one, you see it? I think it's more visible on the white one right here. So it kind of looked like really crinkly, and even on the bottom as well. So I'm not sure if this is a fail or not, but it might be a fail. because the bag kind of looked like it needs help a little bit. Um, but yeah, because even on the end, see the discoloration right here. Let me see if I can focus it. Um, I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It has like a little discoloration right there. So I might have to take this back. I know this was like the last one they had in store, so I might have to take this back to my essay because it's looking like really dry, crinkly and everything. So I'm not sure if, and they did condition it for me too before I took it out the store. So this, it's an unboxing fail. But let's get to this next item. This one, actually, I think I'm most happy about this one than that one. That one, I love it, but I already have one. This one, two. Guys, isn't this beautiful? Yes, I did pick up the Coach, the Bandit. So as you guys saw on my last video that I did for a Monday, I unboxed this, but it was in the, they call it ivory color, but it's more white, chalk white. But I did unbox this, so that's the fail. But like I was telling you guys on that video, I wanted another bag that was just like it. But then when I went in, look at this, guys. I love this with the paint. Oh, so this is actually a collection with, I think it's the mint slash surf, something like that. So this was the last one they had. It had just came in, and my essay and my mom convinced me to get this one. But this is so simply beautiful, and I plan on using the Coach chain that I got to kind of not use the strap, but use that. So as you guys can see, you have this right here, and then you have the inside right there. Yes, guys, let me see something. If it's, I think this is just the condition. Please don't let it, oh yeah, okay. So this is just the condition right here, because she did condition this one as well for me. So there's nothing wrong with the flap, okay? And then we have, let's get to the back. You guys already know I have the smaller version of this, which is the Coach Bandit crossbody. This is the Coach Bandit shoulder bag. So this is it, but this is the collectible one. This is the mint and I think surf or something like that. That's what they call it, collectible. So it has this one, and they had another one that's like in the ivory color. It's really pretty in the cream color, but I feel like this has the feel of this compared to that one is completely different. This really feel like it's actually the paint kind of, I don't even know how to explain it, but the other one kind of, I don't know. It's just, I guess because of the kind of painting they had, the other one didn't feel so good on the hands, but this actually feels really good. I love this. It's so beautiful. And they had just gotten this in as well when I went in. And I was convinced to buy this one because I was looking at, actually, like I told you guys in that video, I was looking if I wanted to get like the other color, but I was convinced to get this, and I am so happy about this. So just a disclaimer, I did pay full price for this. I think this is retailing, I think, for what, $7.95, just because it's the collectible one. Well, the limited edition one. The other one is, the other bag that I did return was like $5.50. So, but this I just think is so stinky beautiful. All right, guys. Oh my God, I'm so super excited about this one. As you guys can see, everything looks good on it. They have the crossbody strap in here, and then you have the dust bag, and then you have, that's it. So I am planning on not really using the crossbody strap. I'll probably use that on another bag, but for this, I'm going to use my silver chain that I got from Coach to dress it up. I'm so super excited to actually do that. I think it will just bring the silver out. I'm not sure if you guys know this about me. I'm not really a silver person, so a lot of my bags have gold hardware. So it's only a few of my bags that actually have silver hardware, and I think this is probably maybe the third or fourth bag that have silver hardware. So I am super excited to add this to the collection, and this bag is just simply beautiful, guys. Look at this bag. This is simply beautiful. And like I stated, this had just came into the boutique as I was walking out. Like she was literally taking it out. So I know this is like right off the boutique. So not right off the boutique, but right off shipment. So I'm excited about this one. So this was a success. The mint bandit shoulder bag. This one, my pillow Madison and the Chuck. I would definitely have to return this because it's cracking. So I need to get another one that doesn't have like the crack, because this material, now that you see this crack happening, you definitely want to make sure that you take care of it right away so that it doesn't continue cracking. And you can see like right here has like a little crack right here, and then on the sides, like right here, you can see like the peeling. Let me see. I don't know if you see like it has like a yellow peeling spot right here. So yeah, this definitely have to go back. I will definitely take this back maybe tomorrow and see if they have another one. If they don't, I'll definitely ask my SA if she can order this for me so I can get another one. But sorry about that, guys. Anyway, so that was the video for today. It was unboxing these two beauties. And like I stated earlier, guys, please, 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 please do not forget to share this video so we can get to the 1,000 subscribers so that I can do the giveaway. And also, please do not forget to go to my community page and vote on what you guys want to receive as the 1,000 subscribers giveaway. Like I said, I'm going to close it once I hit 1,000 subscriber, and then whatever item actually win, whatever category actually win, that's what I'm going to actually go get, and then announce what the giveaway rules and everything's are. Okay, guys? Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for the continuous support, and thank you for watching this video today. Bye.